The original white paint is heavily oxidized, appearing chalky and uneven, with extensive peeling clear coat.
Let's see what we're dealing with under here. Quite a bit of corrosion from the salty air and leaves packed in. This will need a thorough clean.
You can just see the state of this leather. It's completely brittle and just falling apart. This mold is really set in from the damp.
How dockyard salt, dirt, and moisture became trapped within these seams and accelerated corrosion.
The pre-wash foam is designed to break down embedded dockyard contaminants, loosen salt deposits, and soften hardened grime.
How pressure washing safely removes softened debris after the foam stage and prepares the white paint.
You can see that baked on brake dust just starting to come off now. It really bonds to the alloy over time.
Today, we're diving deep into the undercarriage of this 2006 Range Rover, exposed to years of harsh dockyard conditions.
These areas, if you don't detail them, dirt and grime can get trapped, causing corrosion.
It's really important to keep all your components organized when you're taking things apart so you don't lose anything.
So what we have to do now is remove the front bumper. And to do that, it's pretty simple.
These headlights have seen better days. You can see the moisture intrusion has really fogged up the lenses.
So we're going to take the seats out of this Range Rover. As you can see, they're pretty worn out, especially on the bolsters here.
Now it is time to remove the carpets. This is very important as this traps moisture underneath, and as you can see, that causes rust.
You can see all the bubbling on the sill there. It's all starting to show through.
Now, as we're removing this rust, you can see the bare metal starting to show. This is crucial for the structural integrity and create a uniform base for primer and paint application on the white Range Rover's hood. Today we are tackling the corroded sections on this Range Rover, carefully cutting out the weakened metal. The solution chemically stabilizes residual oxidation and prepares the metal for primer and protective coatings.
Now, this bit of sill here, the outer sill, is completely rotten. So we're going to chop all this out.
The operator speaks extensively in a calm ASMR tone, carefully describing the welding process and the importance.
We're just trying to feather this edge out nicely so when we go to prime it, it's a nice smooth transition.
It's critical to achieve a flawless base to restore the vehicle's white finish to factory-level perfection.
And get all of the oils and any other contaminants off of the surface before we apply our epoxy primer.
Proper masking protects the Range Rover's trim and guarantees razor-sharp paint lines. Selecting high-quality tape and sealing edges tightly prevents overspray.
It's crucial to maintain consistent gun distance and steady hand movement for flawless adhesion.
Controlled airflow and proper curing time for primer are crucial. Temperature stability ensures even drying and optimal adhesion.
We're going to wet sand the primer now. This is a very important step to make sure the paint has a good surface to adhere to.
So we're just carefully removing these hoses and belts. They're all labeled to ensure proper reassembly.
It's really important to get all this degreased and cleaned, especially for mechanical reliability. Oil and grime can trap moisture.
Now it's crucial to ensure these new gaskets and seals are perfectly seated to prevent any future leaks.
We're going to put the lower arm in. This is the rear lower arm. Get that located in the hub.
It's crucial for these new discs and pads to be installed correctly for safe, reliable performance on this Range Rover. Polished rotors give optimal friction.
The importance of transmission inspection and proper reassembly for drivetrain reliability. Fresh transmission fluid ensures smooth operation. Replacing fuel lines and connectors is important for mechanical reliability. It ensures safe fuel delivery and prevents leaks.
The importance of a uniform base coat for achieving a flawless white finish on the Range Rover.
The importance of this second layer is achieving that deep, factory-level white finish. It really improves durability and richness. Steady spray passes and proper curing create a durable, high shine finish that resists environmental wear.
The importance of heat curing for the paint's durability and long-term finish quality is paramount in achieving a factory-level white finish.
Careful examination ensures the clear coat is flawless and free of imperfections. Wet sanding for a flawless clear coat, removing imperfections and enhancing gloss. That's what we're doing.
We're refining out those sanding marks, bringing up that gloss, making this Range Rover look absolutely stunning.
It's crucial to hand polish chrome trim to restore its mirror-like brilliance on this white Range Rover. Now we're aligning the refurbished headlight. Notice how clear the lens is, ensuring optimal visibility.
The importance of precise bumper alignment for the Range Rover's integrity.
And we're going to torque these down evenly to ensure proper fitment and safe driving performance.
The interior reassembly and new leather seat installation on the white Range Rover begins now. Restoring this white Range Rover's interior to factory-level quality is all about precise alignment and secure fastening.
And you can see how nice and flat it's laying now, and that's exactly what we're looking for, a really premium finish.
It's crucial for the door panel to be reinstalled correctly to restore the Range Rover's interior to factory quality.
The importance of proper glass window installation for weatherproofing and structural completeness on the white Range Rover.
Now we are reattaching the exterior trim and badges to restore the Range Rover's factory appearance.
Fresh oil and coolant are crucial for this Range Rover's performance and longevity, lubricating components and regulating engine temperature.
This new battery is essential for the electrical performance of the white Range Rover. Clean terminals and secure connections ensure proper power. The gauges and lights confirm electrical functionality and mechanical readiness after restoration.
The engine starts smoothly, and you can hear that steady, refined idle. The vibrations are minimal, just a gentle hum.
The importance of underside inspection and leak checks for the white Range Rover's mechanical reliability cannot be overstated. The final wipe down is crucial for achieving that showroom perfection, removing microscopic dust and enhancing reflections.
Tire dressing completes the look, protecting and enhancing the rubber, complementing these polished alloys perfectly.
And this is just going to make sure that we work that product in nice and evenly and get a really good result.
It's crucial to polish the glass on this Range Rover for total clarity and that factory finish. Streak-free glass boosts safety and looks premium. The final inspection under studio lighting reveals flawless paint, precise panel alignment, and refined detailing. Look at the paint depth and precise body lines under the studio lighting. The moving reflections confirm the smoothness of the surface. Look at the smooth rolling motion and the precision of its restored suspension and wheel alignment.
The golden sunlight really brings out the flawless paint and the sharp body lines of this white Range Rover.
Here we are with the 2006 Range Rover, fully restored front grille and headlights.
The smooth rear curves and precise panel alignment are highlighted by the sunset light.
The stable suspension, balanced wheel rotation, and refined motion confirm mechanical precision and professional craftsmanship.
The flawless paint, precise panel alignment, crystal clear glass, and mechanical reliability, all achieved through meticulous craftsmanship.